Good morning class 4. Welcome to the Visual School digital class. This is the second video of English literature class 4 worksheet A1 and chapter number 4. In the first video I have explained the chapter and this is the second video. In this video I will explain some important question answer to you. The first question: why did the live nightingale fly away? Okay, in this chapter you will find two types of nightingale. One is live nightingale, that is alive. Okay, that is natural, and one is artificial, a toy type nightingale, that is only a toy. If you use the key, then it will start singing some music, otherwise not. So first question: why did the live nightingale fly away? Once upon a time it came to the palace of the king, but one day it flew away. So the question is, what was the reason? So the live nightingale fly away. Fly becomes flew. Okay, one important matter I want to discuss with you. Whenever you will find did in the question, after the did you will find the first form of the verb, that is the present form. When you will write the answer, this V1 becomes V2, that means second form of the verb. Fly becomes flew. So the live nightingale flew away because it liked to live in the forest. That means the live nightingale wanted to live in the forest. That's why it flew away. And why? Why it wanted to live in the forest? Because not only parrot, any bird, they want freedom. Okay, that's why they don't want to be caged. They don't want to be kept in slavery. That's why they enjoy freedom. They want the open space, and for the parrot, the forest was the big open space and for its freedom also. That's why it liked to live in the forest. This is the reason. It liked to live in the forest, that's why it flew away. Second question: what was inside the parcel that the emperor received? Okay, in the chapter, if you have gone through the chapter, you will find that the emperor received a parcel. The question is, what was inside the parcel? There was a golden nightingale with a golden key inside the parcel that the emperor received. That means, what was inside the parcel? There was a golden nightingale. Golden nightingale is totally different from the live nightingale. Okay, live nightingale, that means the living things, and the golden nightingale, that means non-living things. So there was a golden nightingale, that means a nightingale that was a toy type. You have to use, generally you buy the toy from the market, toy shop, and you have been given a key. You just use the key and the toy becomes doing something. Okay, likewise, there was a golden nightingale with a golden key. There was a golden key also inside the parcel that the emperor received. Third question: why did the golden nightingale stop singing? Okay, golden nightingale that was non-living. One day the golden nightingale stopped singing. So the question is, what was the reason? Why did the golden nightingale stop singing? The golden nightingale stopped. See, did has come. After did we are finding the first form of the verb stop, and whenever you are going to write the answer, this V1 becomes V2. That means stopped. So the golden nightingale stopped singing because what is the reason? It was worn out inside. It was worn out inside. That means it was destroyed inside. Okay. The toy, the golden nightingale was destroyed from inside, and there was no music left in it. Okay, it was destroyed. That means if you have bought a toy, so there must be a specific time you are using the battery inside. If the battery is finished, that means your toy will not work. Okay, in the same way, means toy golden nightingale was destroyed inside, worn out is destroyed inside, and there was no music left in it. That's why it was not singing or it was not playing any music. Question number 4. How did the emperor start feeling better? Okay, one day in the story you will find, one day the king became very unhealthy, ill. Okay, so how did the emperor start feeling better? What was the reason? The emperor started, see, start V1 becomes V2 in answer. The emperor started feeling better by listening the most beautiful song of the live nightingale. Here I have mentioned live nightingale, not golden nightingale. Okay, the live nightingale that was used to live in the forest in freedom. Okay, so by listening the song of the live nightingale, the emperor started feeling better. Generally, if you are also feeling bad, you are not feeling good, if you are listening the beautiful song, beautiful music by you are especially fond of, though you must start feeling better. The same way, when the king listened the music of the most beautiful song, the music of the most beautiful nightingale, the king, that means emperor, started feeling better. Again I am repeating, the emperor started feeling better. How? By listening the most beautiful song, of the live nightingale. Next, question number 5, that is last. Why did the emperor command that the nightingale be brought to his court? That means in the story, when the king heard that there was a nightingale living in the forest beside the palace, and it sang the most beautiful song, the king ordered his men to bring the nightingale before him. So, why did emperor command? What was the reason? The emperor commanded. See, command V1 becomes V2 when we are writing the answer. The emperor commanded that the nightingale be brought to his court. Why? This is the reason, to sing before him. To sing before him. This is the question part. You are only arranging the sentence, but the main answer key is this one, to sing before him. Why did the emperor command that the nightingale be brought to his court? To sing before him. That means the king wanted the live nightingale will sing song for the king. Your homework is do question 1. That means 1 to 5. Question number 1 to 5 in copy, and you have to also learn. Okay. So first in the copy you will put today's date. After putting date, there are 5 question answer. You have to write the question answer in copy, very neat and clean. Before doing this, first you will do the partition of the copy like the previous year. Okay. After partition, that means after folding. After folding the copy, suppose half yearly is here finished, you will fold like this. Okay. And over here you will write annual. After that you will start writing from here. Clear? Thank you very much. We will again meet in the second video.